Bruges is a city that seems to belong to another time. In the heart of Flanders, canals quietly wind through the historic centre, reflecting brick facades, ancient churches, and towers that have shaped the city's skyline for centuries. It is a place where water and stone exist in perfect harmony, creating an atmosphere that feels almost untouched by time. For this reason, Bruges is often called the Venice of the North. The comparison comes from its network of canals, but it tells only part of the city's story. Long before becoming one of Belgium's most visited destinations, Bruges was one of Europe's greatest trading centres. Between the 13th and 15th centuries, merchants from across the continent came here to trade cloth, spices, wine, and other valuable goods, helping transform the city into one of the economic capitals of medieval Europe. Over the centuries, however, access to the sea gradually became more difficult, and the major trade routes shifted elsewhere. Bruges slowly lost its economic importance and entered a long period of decline. Ironically, it was this decline that preserved the city's character. While many European cities were transformed by urban expansion and industrialization, Bruges remained remarkably faithful to its origins. Its cobbled streets, stone bridges, Gothic buildings and canals survived the centuries with surprisingly little change. Today, the historic centre of Bruges is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is considered one of the finest preserved medieval cities in Europe. But the charm of Bruges is found in more than its historic landmarks. It lives in the details: the gentle sound of water flowing beneath its bridges, the lively squares that gradually fall silent at sunset, and the towers that have watched over the city for generations. Visiting Bruges means slowing down and allowing yourself to experience a place where history is not confined to museums, but remains part of everyday life. It is a city that impresses not through grandeur, but through the quiet harmony of its streets, canals, and timeless architecture. Perhaps that is Bruges' greatest secret. It is not simply a city rich in history, it is a city that has managed to preserve its soul.